If your relationship with men, structure, or safety feels complicated, look to the father line. So the father line carries themes of direction, protection, identity, purpose, personal power. So whatever the men before you experienced becomes part of your internal map. So for example, if your father or grandfather felt powerless, you may doubt yourself. Perhaps they shut down emotionally. You may struggle with intimacy. Maybe they carried anger. That may cause you to fear conflict. Maybe they worked themselves to exhaustion, and then you don't know how to rest. And so these aren't character flaws. They just inherited masculine imprints. So when you heal the father line, you rebuild the relationship with the masculine, not just within you, but around you as well.